Welcome to We Drive Usakaze. No, how
are you good, Susan?
I'm good, man.
Man, I'm good. Finally! That bell to too. I need to be here.
It's funny we didn't plan this. Like we're taking advantage.
Yeah.
For someone who are you?
Igama mfethu Sphokuhle Luthuli manje ngizobaza kodambeni umshebe lo khona washeba tonto mavele enkomeni abanye bevele ebantwini. Igama lami losibili. I've never said this anywhere else, yabo. Igama lami losibili nguMillicent.
What?
Yeah, crazy.
Isn't that a girl's name?
I know, and angaze ngimbuza umzali ukuthi why, you know. My third name is Sphokuhle.
Yeah.
Ngikamuka endaweni yasePortchefstroom endaweni ekuthiwa iseMelville. Yeah, that's where I grew up. Ngilast born nje kwingane ezu3.
Yeah.
And yeah, man, known as Umagcina Nomanqobo GagasFM, the 2023 GagasFM Rising Star. And uphinde futhi aziwe ngosibongiseni on the most watched soap in South Africa, which is Uzalo. That's who Sphokuhle Luthuli is.
But I want to talk about two things, because I'm sure we're still going to have another sit down Kulum.
Yeah.
How did Uzalo come about at this young age?
Hey, funny story, actually crazy story.
Yeah.
I did the audition Yasbongiseni when 2022.
Yeah.
Beginning of the year.
Last year.
Yeah, last year.
Yeah.
Got my auditions. It was packed.
Yeah.
And then man got to go and audition. I didn't get any call back, you know. And then in my head I'm like, it's one of those opportunities I figure you went there and you did this and you did that. Quite a lot of call center 2023. It's only called from this 031 number. It's we've been checking out your profile, and there is a character which is open right now, and we're wondering would you be interested in your character? No, sure. Yeah. I'm thinking I'm by extra something like that. I mean, I'm just excited with bang thinking. But no. You're gonna play Spong saying a Yamond. What? Imagine that. Then I'm like, wait, but Spong saying in Tuana and but no. That's one of the reasons why we video called you. Because we want to see your physical appearance if we can work with that. Yeah. From there, wow,
bro. Yeah. So I know with cinema extras are manning. So now I can get any call get some
you know, it's not even something as involved with the sign a contract. You know, it was a whole procedure. Yeah. And hey, says I still can't believe it up until this day. Yeah, boom. Because it brought me this. You understand?
And what is this?
It brought me it live. You know, YouTube, hey, you know, so so the that's what I always say.
GagasFM Rising Star.
Yes, sir.
Kanjani, like or you were like, let me take my luck?
So 2013, primary, I used to love Alex in the Morning Crew.
Yes. A huge show. Shout out to Alex. Yeah. Shout out to Jacinta, Kinishan.
Shout out to them. Shout out to them. I don't think they understand what's happening about because it's exciting, in fact, exciting. Obviously, you're grumpy more into you're going to school, you don't want anything, but I mean, as soon as I'm listening to the pranks, I'm listening to the content, I'm listening to everything. Yeah. That's like I'm put Alex. Yeah. Videos on YouTube. Yeah. That's when we and then go on your soul compared to when you're out time and have you noticed on a voice radio? Like, would you ever try it? Because one, you have you want to hear like every single little detail and I'm interviewing shoot them to say again. Yeah. I from that program I went to Joburg, I studied in the media studies, and then I did the private training. Yeah. And yeah, Rising Star too. I did not even for a single day believe we take a in your competition. You know.
Akwandele bana. I won't even lie. There were 2 girls at Decon.
Yeah.
A lot of people back home Sultan Dogon.
Yeah.
Abanye babeze bayitshela ukuthi no, it must be yabo mgenzeka. I'm not saying when bunga believe elikwena.
Yeah.
But babe njani towards you in terms of ukuthreatenisha wena ezintwana?
When we first met, we said to each other, let's not have the mindset yokuthi this is a competition.
Yeah.
Let us respect each other ngokuthi sonke sifike ku top 5.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
As much as wonke umuntu la esikhumbuza ukuthi at the end of the day, guys, it's a competition. You can see that you guys are tight and everything. But going on the competition because he or she must be that good. With top 5 from my entries in terms of threatenism, yes, of course, because if you are within a space in Omuntu, olingana nawe, you are gonna say how ngizomisa kanjani.
Yeah.
But in time nandi lapha ukuthi wonke umuntu mfethu wayipresenta search sonke sasinendlela ehlukile yokusakaza. So the only thing engakusiza and mina into yangisebenzela eyokuthi ngihambe ngomzila wami. And it's also good kuyasiza ukuthi ubezwe besakaza abanye abantu. So that uzokwazi ukubamba ama pointers athi. So in a way mina ngingahlambe ngawina ukuthi some of ezinye izinto bangisiza bona ngazo. Pointers and everything because yakhumbula one of them why we are pricing explain. You know, Ulusanda why we are pricing explain with Ulokuzane Umini no Felix. Mengmuza Sagas, I'm like, okay, this is good.
Yeah.
It sounds good.
Yeah.
What can you change? Jongo biyongena no James.
Yeah. And nemanya kun James lapha no 2.
So 2 na khona. Ihamba no Wayne. Wayne ke mfethu into yakhe iyodwa. Inga yakhe nje iyodwa. She's a natural. She's a natural. What mevula ilinki gathi mina, hey. Hey, this is gonna be a long competition. Yabo. Nokuthandaza ke bethu kuyasiza kakhulu.
100%.
Yeah, prayer helps. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukuzama kwami, uyangibothi ngephi. Okunye sekushela kuwena nami sengikwenzile okwami.
Yeah. The moment ayand lost pet.
Yeah.
Ebizi igama lakho. Your parents are there, if I'm not mistaken. Your friends were there.
Yeah.
Good engqondweni at that time.
Yeah.
Were you expecting ukuthi kuzobiza igama lakho?
Bethu, you know, up until this day, I haven't posted on social media.
You lie.
I'm telling you. I still have my videos.
Yeah.
I have the moments. I have everything, but I haven't sat down and gathered yonke content in that one. Do you know why? It's because every time I'm watching my video,
why?
Because in Fetu, it's been a long time coming. It's been a long time coming in Fetu. Kuyiqiniso ukuthi ngaphambi kokuthi kukhanya kuqala kube mnyama because like mina same thing happened. Manje mase kukhanya kukholakala ukuthi bonke lebumnyama sebushonile. So when usis ayanda Fetu into yokuqala nje eyadala ukuthi inhliziyo yami ishaye ngempela was the tension music background.
I remember that. Shout out to Lwandle Masola.
And then into yesibili yangishaya was seeing MK standing alone. Eduze kwe desk ephethe phone yakhe eseready ukurecord umuntu ethi winning. Ekhanda la wonke umuntu at that time is hey imina futhi manje kusasa lokho uzobe emeduze kwakhe lo amjida lo, you know. I bet yashi announcement kwaqale kwashiyo kwathiwa no, we're talking about the 12 months contracts, like we're talking about the 10,000.
10,000. Isengenile leyo mali.
So of its announcement yathi Sphokuhle Luthuli. Immediately when she said
you just knew it.
I knew it. And then what's eqeda ukuyisho leyo nto kokhona best friend yami was also a manager yami ukwazi. Ukwazi Ncube was there, you know. Ukwazi literally stood like this. Dasuka la indlela ngikhomba kwazi. Because the whole time when we were driving to a studio ngangilo ngithi mfethu mina sengibonga ithuba wathi impethe yakho. Yabo wayibona umngane wathi mfethu yabo wena nje ayikho into extressayo manje. This is you.
Kuba nabangani abanjalo.
Yabona mfethu
believe in you.
umngani futhi mfethu othi noma ekhuleka angakhohle emkhulekweni yakhe, you know. Hey, yeah, ake ngithi nje bethu okunye nokunye mfethu ngagcina la.
Yeah,
you know, because we even had a chat with ubut Alex engibuza ukuthi manje how do you feel ngigqoka umqhele that day.
Yeah, I remember
the joke wathi mina usuyifondile inyanga yakho. But yeah, but akukholakali and uman unfortunately akazange kuba khona.
Yeah,
but wayehleli nje emotweni with i-team yakhe nabo mama abakhulekayo. Yathi mayisho nje announcement wafona immediately with tears. She was crying, my sisters, my brothers. So nje mfethu yeah, ikoku experience eyimnandi kodwa futhi ayibhlungu because inyembezi kwangazona ezenjabulo kuphela ezokuthi yo after ubhlungu obungaka mfethu, you know, uzofade sesekwenzakile. So yeah, kumina kwakuyilokho nje.
Working with MK quickly before I let you go, because ngithembisile ukuthi uzoba mfushane le interview. Working with MK, umuntu oqalayo ukumaza, I know mhlambe kinenifike nimbone station. Now usuyazi ukuthi no, I'm going to be working with this person every single show engizoyenza for now.
Sure.
How is that?
Very cool ka MK mfethu. Ngiyaye ngithi nje nami mangikhuleka ngithi inkosi umgcine mfethu uma ndisela insuku zakhe.
Yeah.
MK reception yakhe wayiqala nje sifika from sisasenda in izinto zethu and everything, wafika e-studio, wafika early just nje ezosikhuthaza ukuthi guys you are here now, asexting sokuthi nisabe, azini ukuthi you've got this, can be anyone. Isho yethu kuqala I remember wayefuna yonke into enziwe yimi, and I'm just like, oh but MK I'm just the second voice. But Sphokuhle, I don't work like that. Siyakubongela you've won, now it's time to work, you know. Ngiyakhumbula into yokuqala nje wangitshela wathi how would you back announce le ngoma le before I even went on air. Kathi mina no ngayishaka nje wathi awuyishaya ngayivula mfethu ngayivula up until namhlanje we still do the same thing mfethu. If ukuthi we have to fight akhliyali kumnandi yabo ukuxabana kwethu kodwa kwalo ukuthi hayi phela vele bengazi yilo xabana ukuthi we need to do things on time. We need to show prep yonke into fanele senze show mfethu ukuthi kushaya
yonke into
right. Now ukhululekile nami ngikhululekile. But mfethu working with MK, yo Sizwe, it's just like hanging out with you. Yabo, it's always amazing. Hlale kumnandi mfethu. Alikho usuku la ongafuni konke yohlalo MK, whether you are tired noma ngathiwa uphuma kuphi, but you want to hang around with him. Even if ngathiwa nisipani, but working with him ikona ke mfethu kuvele kwasula ibhuku for me, because I never thought ukuthi ngingasebenza nomuntu ngalendlela okwenzeka ngayo manje. He's big, I was afraid of him ukuthi ngifela kumuntu osemkhulu manje, but he never makes it like that.
Mfethu ngihlezi ngithola lo mbuzo bethi ngizowubuza kwena ngoba nawe ungaphakathi. Working for GagasFM, how does it feel? What does it mean to you?
Yo bethu inkosi iyake ithi if I'm situated in the grand supremacy asikho isidingo sokuthi ungibuze. Ngihlele ebukhosini bokugcina, you know. Kumina into esangimangaza is bumping into some of the personalities up until namhlanje. You know, bumping into abantu abanjengo Felix, abantu abanjengo Sizwe, you know, abantu abanjengo Mini mfethu, abantu abanjengo Penny. Yonke leyo nto bethi iyatshengisa ukuthi la ku space sama queens nama kings. Nawe une title yakhe ethi wena yala ekhaya. Igagas futhi ngilithandela mfethu one nje into ebaleka kakhulu understanding, and also being very patient with umuntu. Mina ngisafika kahle, you know, I still need a lot of time to learn. Kodwa futhi abakaze bangize ngizizwe kanjalo. I'm always included in my plans amakhulu. Ngiyatshena ukuthi siyokwenza into ethile manje ayekho umuntu othi yamfana omncane, so manje sicabanga no, you're told ukuthi Sphokuhle we are living, so kwenza into ethile. Sphokuhle sicela usenze into ethile. Nje mfethu angifuni ukuqamba manga okunye ngiya ngithi mina umuntu ngicela ngilalele emsakazweni mhlambe 3 voice lami uzoza ukuthi hayi lo muntu lo ujabulile ukwi space mfethu esimphilisayo. Mfethu
ngiyazi best driver siya somewhere. I've decided to hijack you because bese ngese sithola isikhathi. Ma socials abantu bakuthola kanjani ngaphandle kokuthola ku Uzalo na ku Gagas?
Thank you so much, man. So on Instagram it's at @therealSphokuhle Luthuli. And then on TikTok, it's dear.luthuli. For bookings, it's Sphokuhle Luthuli 2001@gmail.com. You can also contact 067 154 7202. I don't have a Facebook, I don't have a Twitter. But to get uthi qoyila lapha ku drive usakaza mhlambe umewe muhle njalo uNkulunkulu mhlambe khona okuncane ozokubona. So if you missed anything uzobe usuyakwazi ukuthola ke ama social media platforms amkhona.
Exactly 15 minutes. I'm out of here. Kamalam ngosizwa asibisi le I drive usakaza.
Sure.
Awuvale lapha.